Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are talking about molecular biology top 20 MCQs part first. Dear students, if you like my video, please subscribe, like and share my YouTube channel. The amino acid structure of a polypeptide chain determines its dash. Option A, primary structure, B, secondary structure, C, tertiary structure, and option D, quaternary structure. So the correct option is A, primary structure. Explanation is the primary structure of a protein is the specific linear sequence of amino acids in the polypeptide chain. So this is very important MCQs. Which mode of information transfer usually does not occur? Option A, DNA into DNA. Option B, DNA into RNA. Option C, DNA into protein. And option D, all of the above. So the correct option is C, DNA into protein. Explanation is, according to the central dogma of molecular biology, the genetic information flows from DNA to RNA and to protein. The direct transfer of information from DNA into protein bypasses the RNA intermediate, also called translation, usually does not occur. Dear students, subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from early technologist. So this is very important MCQs. A group of linked genes whose expression is coordinately regulated. Option A, promoter. B, Operon. C, regulator. And option D, operator. So the correct option is B, Operon. An Operon is a functioning unit of DNA containing a cluster of genes under the control of a single promoter and operator. Which of the following statement is false? Option A, the genetic code is overlapping. B, the genetic code is universal. Option C, degenerate codons specify the same amino acids. And option D, the genetic code is triplet. So the correct option is A, the genetic code is overlapping. So this is the false statement. Explanation is the genetic code is non-overlapping. Each base in the mRNA belongs to only one codon. mRNA molecule that yields two or more proteins. Option A, promoter. B, Operon. C, Polycistronic. And option D, operator. So the correct option is C, Polycistronic. A polycistronic mRNA is an mRNA that encodes two or more different proteins, each translated from a different coding sequence. So, control of gene expression by preventing a gene from being expressed. Option A, transcription. B, induction. C, repression. And option D, translation. So the correct option is C, repression. Repression, often by a repressor protein, is a mechanism that actively shuts down or prevents the transcription of a gene. Which of the following gene for beta-galactosidase? Option A, LacZ, B, LacY, C, LacA. So the correct option is A, LacZ. The LacZ gene and the Operon codes for the enzyme beta-galactosidase, which breaks down lactose into glucose and galactose. Dear students, if you like this video, please सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल। अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद है, बराए मेहरबानी मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर कर लें। शुक्रिया। So this is last MCQs. RNA contains which bases? Option A, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. Option B, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. Option C, thymine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. And option D, adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. So the correct option is D, adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. Explanation is RNA replaces the base thymine found in DNA with uracil. Its four bases: adenine, guanine, cytosine and uracil. Thank you for watching my videos.